Hey, what you're about to see is the first lesson from one of Goalie's video classes teaching kids life skills. Go to getgoalie.com or stick around to the end of the video to learn more.
Hello kiddos! Today we're going to learn how to master the art of using a fork in 3 lessons. Knowing how to use a fork is a very important skill if you want to become more independent. Let's see what we're going to learn today. First, we'll be introduced to forks. Then, we'll learn all about fork handling techniques. Finally, we'll learn about piercing food and fork control. All right, little food explorers, let's begin with our first lesson, Introduction to Forks. Forks have a handle, which is used to hold them. They also have pointed prongs that pierce through food, making it easier for us to take bites. We use forks to eat solid foods like meat or vegetables that can be poked. If we're eating soup or yogurt, it might be best to use a spoon instead. Your turn to practice. Which utensil should you use to eat some solid veggies? A spoon or a fork?
This was just the first of a 3-part class on Goalie. To unlock the rest of the course, go to getgoalie.com. Your kids will learn way better on Goalie's distraction-free tablet, and you'll get access to hundreds of more video courses and routines to help them practice too. Drop a like and subscribe, and comment what you want us to teach your kid next.